I'm Twyla at My Bilingual Life. I want to help you become bilingual. Today, we're going to look at the verb comer. Comer is a regular ER verb, and it means to eat. So today, we're going to look at how to conjugate comer in the regular present tense. So here are the subject pronouns. We've looked at these a couple of times. I have a video on this. If you haven't watched it yet, this would be a great time to check it out. I'll link it up in the corner. So the regular ER endings for yo is o. Or tú, it's es. For él, ella, and usted, e. Nosotros, nosotras, is hemos. Vosotros, vosotras, eis. Ellos, ellas, and ustedes is en. So for the verb comer, we take off the ER and we add what's left to the ending. So, como. Comes. Come. Comemos. Coméis. And comen. So let's go through this. Try and repeat after me. Yo como. Tú comes. Él come. Ella come. Usted come. Nosotros comemos. Nosotras comemos. Vosotros coméis. Vosotras coméis. Ellos comen. Ellas comen. Ustedes comen. Now let's look at some sample sentences. Yo como con mi mamá. I eat with my mom. Yo como con mi mamá. Tú comes con tu amiga. You eat with your friend. Tú comes con tu amiga. La maestra come conmigo. The teacher eats with me. La maestra come conmigo. Nosotros comemos todos los días. We eat every day. Nosotros comemos todos los días. Ellos comen mucho. They eat a lot. Ellos comen mucho. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to check out our website for more information about verbs and verb conjugations. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that so that you don't miss any of our lessons. I'll see you soon. Nos vemos.